YouTube family and friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you quickly how I do my own perfume body jelly. I will be using perfume oils, and I have 2 that I've selected there, and I will also be using sweet almond oil and beeswax, and I'll show you the container of beeswax here in a second. Make sure you have a container to put your body jelly in once you're finished, and I have a plastic BPA free container there. Prepare a saucepan with some water in it, and then a glass container inside of that so that it'll control the melting of your beeswax while it is in the sweet almond oil. So here I'm just pouring in 2 cups of sweet almond oil, and I'm just going to pour it to the line. That's 1 cup. And I'm just filling it up to the line. I know you can't see the cup line there. Okay. So that'll be enough to fill this container and a little bit more. Okay, so I have my sweet almond oil in there. Like I said, it's on high. Okay, here I am about to add the first of my 4 scoops of the beeswax beads. This is what it looks like with all 4 scoops and the 2 cups of sweet almond oil. The water's still heating up around the glass dish, and I'm just going to mix them around a little bit so they don't clump together and they are evenly distributed throughout the sweet almond oil.
Okay, so I'll be right back with once it melts, I'm going to show you how easy this is, okay?
Okay, I'm just showing here the water is heated up, and you can tell that the beads are starting to change.
The water is now up to a boil, and we're just kind of mixing these to get them,
mixing them to help them melt. And I'm just using a butter knife to do that. You can choose whatever you want to use. I just found it easier to use a butter knife. Here the color has changed of the beeswax, and it is mostly melted. So I'm just blending it more into the oil. Okay, here it's completely melted, and there's a little bit of residue at the top, but I'm going to consider this completely melted.
We finally got most of this to melt. My son is spending time doing stuff in the kitchen too.
Alright, so this is ready to come off. I removed the heat, and you can see the water is still bubbling.
So I'm going to get my containers ready, and I have a trivet.
And I'm going to place the glass container on the trivet just to protect the countertops. And I had planned on refilling that container. I did that over the holiday, maybe about 5 days ago. So I'm just going to refill that instead of cleaning it.
This container,
and this is the body jelly that I made during the break. I went through the second container so quickly that I decided to go ahead and make another batch. Okay, and this is the refill batch.
It's delicious, y'all.
Okay, and I'm just pouring this into that container I was telling you about. And I apologize for that being halfway off the screen. And so now I'm adding my second perfume oil to change the fragrance slightly. And I'm just kind of blending it in to the oil here. And now I'm just pouring it into my BPA free container. You choose whatever container you'd like to pour it in.
This is what I was able to make. I wish I had made a small green one to take to work. Smells yummy. Like I said, I like combining those. And let me see. I'm not gonna tell you what that scent is. All right. So you guys have a blessed evening.